Alright, so welcome back to the channel. If you made it here, I don't know how you made it here, but this is Tizzy Stackz. The song is called Rainstorm. It's on Tizzy Stackz channel. He got 11.9K subscribers, and this is requested, so comment will go up on the screen. But the person said this is Duvie's man's. So I was like, let me react to it real quick. Got 8.4K likes, 129 dislikes, 671,000 views. Premiered February 4th, 2020. And let's get into it. I'm gonna tell you if it's fire, if it's trash per usual. You feel me? Oh, and while we waiting for this to start, you could drop me a like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it. Of course, I'm not gonna force you, but
more life, more money.
Bel-Air,
See what I'm saying?
Yup.
Mr. Stackz in the building. My slice.
Mr. Stackz. Or the rock store.
Gotta get rich.
Stano's world.
Diamond chains and shit, you know. Flex on everyone.
Alright, let's see what he said.
Been till the pain gone. Spent till they all gone.
Spend till they all gone.
Days in a rainstorm. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in a rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga.
Drench them niggas. This remind me of 26AR, because you know they always say drench them. If you know, I assume if you're watching this, you probably a Toronto watcher. You might be from Toronto, but yeah, in New York we got a group, and they be saying drench them, so that just remind me of that group. Feel me?
Click up, watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in a rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone. I put the ops through the rainstorm. I ain't playing with them niggas. Pack touchdown, that's gang, little nigga. I be in my Burke, in my bag, little nigga. Try run upon me, get packed, little nigga. I can't believe it, my nigga, he gone. I can't believe it, I'm singing this song. Missing my nigga for you, I'm a ball. Fuck all the off green, I hit them, they fall. It's the life that we chosen like gang shit. Stay no gang, no, I can't live a gang switch. Green like gang, and that red like we bang shit. Window down, hit them up, then we lane switch. And I know they gon' regret what they did to him. When the pressure come down, they gon' bend this shit. No, we started this smoke, we gon' finish it. Yeah, they took my bro for me, so I'ma drench them niggas.
This sound like a song that the 2605 group would make. It sound I could see 26AR Rocco Ballin rapping this track. I'm not even gonna hold you. But this is fire. I rock with it so far. Like nothing sounds bad. This sounds good.
Yeah, they took my bro for me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in the rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas. Bitch, I'm glicked up. Watch who you test, little nigga. I swear my bro like my backbone. I spent till they all gone. Spent days in a rainstorm. I spent till the pain gone.
Facts. Hey, that beat is fire. The video's clean. Rest in peace. And yeah, this is a good song. There's nothing bad I can say about this.
I spent till the pain gone. Yeah, they took my bro from me, so I'ma drench them niggas.
Yeah, nothing bad. Oh, son was only like 18. Damn, 2000 babies are 18 now. 2000, if you were born in 2001. Actually, it's 2021 now. You born in 2001, you like 20 years old. That's actually insane to me. That's wild. That's so crazy. Y'all 2000 babies, different. But all I'm gonna say is, good track, bro. Call him 8.8 if I was gonna rate it. You could go up or down. It's up to you. But this is a good track. There's nothing bad I can say about this. I say call him 8.8, maybe 8.7, maybe 8.6. I don't see myself going under 8.8 for this. I mean 8.5 for this. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna drop it. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe if you feel like it, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. You feel me? Thank you for rocking with me. I appreciate it. You feel me? For real, from the bottom of my heart.